Hey, congratulations! Welcome to the ocean of hair. If it's the first time visiting my channel, I want to say I am super thankful that you found Vimerit's channel for beginners. You have everything you need to begin your journey of doing it yourself, which is the main focus of this channel. So, let me ask you this question. If you had a choice of not spending long hours for hair appointment, would you skip it? I'm pretty sure you will. So, what you can do instead is saving this money to buy more hair extensions from vmerits.com and watch this channel for beginners. Then practice with me until you get it, until you can do it yourself. It's easy, baby. I promise you. You will feel so proud of yourself, of what you have accomplished. It's like wearing your own piece of artwork. Isn't that fulfilling? Yes, of course it is. Make your mistakes, learn by yourself. So because this blonde wig is brand new, I went ahead and put it on mannequin head. Otherwise, you will not be recommended to do so since you have to wash the interior of the wig as well when it's not brand new. But in this case, I just wash it like it was a human being here. To wash it, really you can use any shampoo or conditioner of your choice. But personally, I prefer to use a shampoo that has argan oil in it because the benefits of the fatty acids that is in an argan oil make it an excellent moisturizer. It can improve the appearance of dry hair and add shine to the hair. So, if you've purchased Vimerit hair before, you know you're in for a treat. For those of you who are still new, let me introduce you to let me introduce you real quick to the finest hair extension available online only. You see this body wave style hair wig is pre-pluck. You won't need too much plucking because the natural hairline is already ready to wear, but because I like to do it myself, so I just plucked it real quick to make the body wave lace looks more natural. This wig is 100% human hair, so you can put it under the dryer with no worries of damages. This body wave style is available on vmerits.com from 10 inches to 24 inches. It's a 130% density. So look at how precious it is. It's super easy to pluck it. So if you need some more details of how I pluck it, please let me know on the comment below. I'll be glad to show you or to just do it with me because I'm still in the beginner stage. I just wanted to do it myself, so because I was tired of sitting at hairstylist appointment, so that's why I decided to do it myself. But you can always go back to where you already plug to see your work. sometimes I just spray it because when it's wet it looks better. Well, this is how I pluck it. I'm not a professional, but I just learned to do it myself. But every day I'm getting better because I learn new skills every day. I don't have time to watch Kim Kardashian or reality TV show. I just watch YouTube and I buy my own hair extension or wigs from Vimers.com, and I start doing it, and it feels so fulfilling. It feels so good to do it yourself. And I listen to Mozart, which is a good way to learn. It makes your mind ready to learn. Well, this is the final work. Thanks for watching Vimerit's channel for beginners. Please do not forget to subscribe for short videos like this, especially for beginners. Thank you, kisses. See you soon.